Okay, student, we'll start the rest part. In a circle, subtends. In a circle of radius r, an arc length r subtends an angle whose measure is 1 radian. That means an arc of length L will subtend an angle whose measure is L by r radian. Radius of the circle is r. If the length of a arc is r radian, if the length of the arc is r, then this is 1 radian. That means we can say that if the central angle is theta, then theta is equal to L by r, where L is the length of arc, r is the radius. So L is equal to r into theta. The minute hand of a watch is 1.5 centimeter long. How far does its tip move in 40 minutes? Use pi is equal to 3.14. The minute hand of a watch is 1.5 centimeter long. That means here given r is equal to 1.5 centimeter. Okay. How far does its tip move in 40 minutes? That means we know that 60 minutes is equal to 360 degree. 1 minute is equal to 360 by 60. That means 6 degree. So 40 minutes is equal to 40 into 6. That means 240 degree. If we will convert this one into radian, we know that 180 degree is equal to pi radian. So 240 degree will be pi by 180 into 240. 0 cancel, 6 3 ja, 6 4 ja. That means 4 pi by 3 radian. So therefore L is equal to r into theta. 1.5 into theta is 4 pi by 3. This much centimeter. So 1.5 into 4 is 6 by 3. That means 2 pi centimeter. Or we can write it 2 into the value of a pi is given in the question, 3.14. 2 into 3.14. 6.28 centimeter. Okay. If the arc of the arcs of the same length in two circles, subtend angles 65 degree and 110 degree at the center. Find the ratio of the error radii. Find the ratio of the error radii. If the arc of the same length in the two circles, that means both arcs have the same length and subtend angle 65 degree and 110 degree at the center. That means R1 and R2 let R1 and R2 be the radii of the two circles, given that theta 1 is equal to first angle given 65 degree. So we'll convert degree into radian. 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. So 65 degrees is 65 into pi by 180. 5 13, 5 3 that means 13 pi by 36 radian. Theta 2 is equal to 110 degree, 110 into pi by 180. 0 0 cancel, that means 11 pi by 18 radian. If we will equalize the denominator, then it will be 22 pi by 36 radian by multiplying 2 in both numerator and denominator. And also in the question given that both arcs have a same length, that means L is equal to R1 theta 1 is equal to R2 theta 2. So R1 theta 1 is 13 pi by 6. That means R1 into 13 pi by 36 is equal to R2 into 22 pi by 36. 36 cancel, pi cancel. So that implies R1 by R2 is equal to 22 by 13. So that implies R1 is to R2 is equal to 22 is to 13. Understood? A wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute through how many radians? How many radians does it turn? Does it turn in 1 second? Okay. A wheel makes 360 revolution in 1 minute. 1 minute means 60 seconds. In 60 second, number of revolution is 360. Through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? So in a 60 minute, it is 360 revolution. In 1 minute, it makes 360 revolution. That means in a 60 minute is equal to 360 revolution. Sorry. In 60 second is equal to 360 revolution. 1 second is equal to 360 by 60. That means is 6 revolution. So in one revolution is equal to 360 degree. That means 2 pi radian. In 6 revolution, 6 into 2 pi, that means 12 pi radian. Okay. Next we will go to find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of a circle of radius 100 centimeter by an arc of length 22 centimeter. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. Find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of a circle of radius 100 centimeter. Radius is given 100 centimeter. Okay. And arc length is given. Arc length is 22 centimeter. We will find out the theta. So we know that theta is equal to L by R. Here L is equal to 22 centimeter. R is equal to 100 centimeter. So theta is equal to 22 by 100. That means it's 0.22. 0.22 degree. We know that 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. So 0.22 into pi by 180 radian. So it will be theta is equal to L by R. That means 22 by 100. This much degree. Sorry, this much radian. And we know that pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So 22 by 100 into 180 by pi. So 0 0 cancel. 2 5 ja 10. 2 11 ja. 11 into 18. 190 by 5. 5 into the value of pi is 22 by 7. When it will be reciprocal, it will be 7 by 22. 11 2 ja 11. 1 ja 11 8 ja. 2 9 ja. That means 63 by 5. 5 1 ja 5. 5 2 ja 10. Okay. 12 whole 3 by 5 degree. So it will be 12 degree. 3 by 5 into 60, this much minute. So 12 degree. 36 minute. Okay. Next question. In a circle, of a diameter 40 centimeter, the length of a chord is 20 centimeter. Find the length of minor arc of the chord in a circle of a diameter 40 centimeter. The diameter is equal to 40 centimeter. That means radius is equal to 40 by 2. That means 20 centimeter. Okay. The radius is 20 centimeter and this one is also 20 centimeter and chord is also 20 centimeter. That means it is an equilateral triangle. So in equilateral triangle, this is an equilateral triangle as all the angles are equal. So theta is equal to 60 degree. That means 60 by 180 degrees will pi radian. So 60 pi by 180. That means pi by 3 radian. Okay. Now we'll find out length of this. That means theta is equal to L by R. Theta is equal to L by R. So L is equal to theta into R. So theta is pi by 3 into R is 20. So the value of pi is 22 by 7 into 1 by 3 into 20. So it will be 20 pi by 3. 20 pi by 3 centimeter. Okay.